Budgeting with a purpose, aligning your finances with your dreams and goals. Welcome to my MotivatesUAll YouTube channel for inspiration and guidance on achieving your dreams and goals. In this video, we will explore the art of budgeting with a purpose. We'll show you how to create budgets that not only manage your finances but also align with your aspirations. To make this journey engaging, we'll share small stories of individuals who transformed their lives through purposeful budgeting. Story 1. Sarah's journey to financial freedom. Sarah had always dreamed of starting her own business, but the fear of financial instability held her back. One day, she decided to take control of her finances and align them with her dream. Sarah created a budget that included a savings plan specifically for her business. With dedication and discipline, she watched her savings grow, and within a few years, she had enough capital to turn her dream into a reality. Story 2. John's path to home ownership. John had been renting apartments for years and dreamed of owning a home for his family. He knew he needed to budget wisely to make this dream come true. John started by cutting unnecessary expenses and redirecting that money into a dedicated savings account. Over time, his disciplined budgeting allowed him to secure a mortgage and buy the house he had always wanted. Story 3. Emily's adventure fund. Emily had a passion for travel but struggled to afford it with her current spending habits. She decided to create a budget that prioritized her wanderlust. By carefully tracking her expenses and making adjustments, she was able to allocate a portion of her income to her adventure fund. The steps to create a budget with a purpose are: 1. Set clear goals. Define your dreams and financial goals. Whether it's starting a business, buying a home, traveling, or retiring comfortably, knowing what you're working toward is crucial. 2. Track your expenses. Monitor your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. Use apps or spreadsheets to keep a record of your financial transactions. 3. Create a budget. Design a budget that allocates a portion of your income towards your goals. Prioritize saving and investing for your dreams. 4. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Life circumstances may change, so your budget should be flexible. 5. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget even when faced with temptations or unexpected expenses. So, budgeting with a purpose is the key to turning your dreams into reality. Start your journey today, and you'll be on your way to realizing your own dreams and goals. Thank you for joining us at MotivatesUAll. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspiring content on personal growth and self-improvement.